Welcome to How to Buy a Radio tutorial. First, let me introduce you to the Titan TR-4x digital two-way walkie-talkie radio. This is a digital radio packing a punch of 4 watts. This means the radio will reach further and talk more clear than your older radios. Analog. This is a durable radio that comes with a battery, antenna, clip, and drop-in charger. Many of our customers include hotels, churches, manufacturing plants, clubs, and restaurants. One of the greatest things about these walkie-talkies is that they have increased security, safety, and productivity by connecting their team, staff, group together at the touch of a button. There are also a variety of accessories for the radio, such as extra batteries, chargers, headsets, and earpieces. Lastly, don't forget to type in your discount for 35% or more higher. The TR-4x is an overall great radio and our best seller. Whether you are in a big building, small building, it doesn't matter. This radio works great. For further information on this radio, you can give me a direct call at 214-702-1902. Leave a message, text, or voicemail if I don't answer. Moving on to the TR2x. It is a great digital radio that packages a punch of 2 watts. The reason for it's a smaller radio, which is lighter, weighs less, and is less cumbersome, especially for wait staff that are carrying the radio all day. Both radios are great, but most people that are in restaurants will buy the TR2x because the restaurant is a smaller area compared to a large building. So most people in the restaurant industry, daycare industry, where there's people in a certain floor or building that they need to speak to, and they don't want a big cumbersome radio, which the TR-4x is not very big at all either. It's a great size because of the lithium-ion batteries that it comes with. So if you're a restaurant, daycare, to smaller to medium-sized building, this is an excellent radio. If you want a radio that's concealable, that's small, it comes with a wall charger, antenna, battery. You can buy accessories for it too. If you're a hunter, these are great radios to talk with. But both the TR-4x and the TR2x are great radios. And if you want more information, there'll be more videos. You can also give me direct call. My number is 214-702-1902, and just go ahead and purchase the radios through the website, and we'll mail them to you as soon as possible. And there's a 2-year warranty on them, so it's just easy and that simple. Give me a call if you have any questions. There'll be more videos that we post about the radios. This is the first one for now, but we've been selling radios for a long time. We've been in the business for over 20 years. So you can trust us for providing you with an excellent product. Thank you.